Black Prophet.
Hello, my name is Wyant, also known as the Sickle Cell Soldier, AR the Prophet. Welcome to my kitchen. Let's cook.
You got your corn and all that on. You use regular sea salt, right? 3+ tomatoes in form. Yeah, basil's really good for a lot of things, man. A great immune herb as well. Type of cold flu symptoms as well. Mix that all in together. Put that in. You got your green peppers, you got your sweet peppers, you got your jalapeno, and scissors, you got your garlic, you got your onion. So this is what I use for my shells. My tortilla factory, man. Get right, man. Salt. Don't get it twisted. I used to eat that stuff too, but listen. Get some all natural corn tortillas. When you know better, you do better. You can tell the difference, bro. Look at it. None of that extra stuff that goes into whatever the flour is. I usually do both. It's all natural as it is. And on the butter, the butter really just give it that crisp. Whole lot of love being cooked. Alright, corn twisted and flipping. That's good too. Smelling crazy. You smell them flavors? Popping in there, boy. The tar gonna help ourselves do what they need to do instead of clogging up the pores and all that grease. Man, you don't need it. It's not good for your body. So this is a healthy alternative. 5 more minutes on that. This is South corn. Oh, there we go. There we go. Hey, that smoked paprika, man, is special. Now, this is only because I like mine spicy. You don't have to have yours just enough to give it that. Okay. Done deal on that. Bang. Tortillas over here doing their thing. Outside on the inside, and this is how we do. That's what you like, though. I like to use sriracha because it's an all-grain rice that you cooked up. Fiesta. They ain't gonna be missing a grain of meat from that. Yeah. Take your cilantro. It's come with the fresh after the cooked because peppers, the fiesta peppers. We got the, I usually say a prayer before I eat. It's your best taste, baby. You know what it is. Live well.
Bow your head and close your eyes. We about to pray now. Everything baked, I'm trying to stay away from fried foods all my life.